Institutions leave footprints. They cannot hide their volume and they cannot hide their accumulation. இந்த வாரம் நம்ம ரேடார்ல 4 எலைட் ஃபண்டமெண்டல் பவர் ஹவுசஸ் இருக்கு. பாலிகேப், KEI, PN Gadgil Jewellers and Hindustan Copper. Every single one of them has cleared a brutal SEPA audit, but fundamentals are just the fuel. Price geometry is the engine. Today we are decoding 3 highly advanced institutional blueprints. Mark Minervini's 3C pattern, a traditional cup and handle pattern, and Oliver Kell's swing architecture. Let's start with Minervini's cup completion cheat or the 3C. ஒரு ட்ரெடிஷனல் கப் அண்ட் ஹேண்டில் பேட்டர்ன்ல ரீட்டைல் ட்ரேடர்ஸ் எல்லாரும் ப்ரியர் ஹை பிரேக் ஆகுற வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் ஆப்வியஸ் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். பட் தி மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் எட்ஜ் லைஸ் இன் தி சீட் ஜோன். கப்போட ரைட் சைடு பில்ட் ஆகும்போது ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸுக்கு வரதுக்கு முன்னாடியே பிரைஸ் ஒரு பாஸ் எடுக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் வேர் வீக் ஹேண்ட் செல் anticipating a rejection and smart money quietly observes that supply. It creates a localized volatility contraction pattern, VCP. This cheat area gives you a massive asymmetric risk profile. Your stop loss is microscopic, but your upside is an entire breakout extension. Polycap and KEI chart exhibit this exact accumulation blueprint. Polycapல 46% top line sales growth இருக்கு. சார்ட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா the cheat zone is tightening beautifully. Volume is drying up. The supply is systematically getting absorbed by the institutions. KEIல 42.5% profit after tax surge ஆயிருக்கு. The daily chart is digesting the fundamental shockwave, forming a pristine VCP right inside the 3C parameter. We are stalking the breakout from this exact pocket. To contrast this, look at PN Gadgil Jewellers. This is not a 3C. This is a textbook geometry. 98.6% sequential earnings momentum, backing a perfect cup and handle. Right side resistance ku exacta keela the handle is carving out pure unadulterated price tightening. Now let's elevate our swing trading architecture using Oliver Kell's methodology. Kell's entire system revolves around the moving average ecosystem, specifically tracking the life cycle of momentum through 10, 20 and 50 moving averages. Hindustan Copper oda 148% earning explosion ku munnadi we saw a violent exhaustion extension. That is, price goes too far away from its base. Retail FOMO kicks in here, but institutions exchange their shares to the retailers. Adukaprom a mathematically inevitable wedge drop occurs. That is, price violently breaks below the SMA and then the SMA cross back. After that, price builds a series of lower lows, and when the price gets extended on the reversal side, that is where the institutions again step in. They observe the supply by buying the shares at a discount. So, price கீழே போறது stop ஆகும். At one point, it will make a higher low and then the wedge pops back above the moving average. Here, you are not trying to catch the falling knife. You are entering exactly when the trend shift backs from the defensive to offensive, catching the new wave. Hindustan Copper has just executed this exact crossback and it's forming a volatility contraction pattern around the 50 SMA. இந்த 4 setups mathematically superior. ஆனா anticipating a breakout is gambling. Reacting to it is trading. The daily charts are telling us to sit on hands. Let the price prove the thesis before you deploy the capital. Stay risk managed.